how to change your E-Trade password online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your etrade.com, or you can use the application version of it. Either way, what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after adding down all of the necessary credentials, you can log into your account, and after logging in, you can click on the profile icon on the top right corner and then choose the complete profile and settings, right? Then after doing that, you can select security settings, then you can tap on change next to the password, then you can provide your existing password, input your new password, then you can tap on apply, and just like that you'll be able to change your E-Trade password online. So after doing that, here you'll successfully be able to you'll successfully be able to like change your E-Trade password online. But in case if you have forgotten your password, then what you can do is simply get into your login page just like this, and then from there you can actually tap on forgot user ID or password, tap on that password option, then we'll head into another link where you'll need to add in all of the necessary information like your user ID, and then you can tap on submit, and then you can follow all of the given on-screen prompt, and then when you do follow all of it, you'll be able to reset your password like that too.